Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram poll sticker in story. All you have to do is go ahead and open your application, then swipe towards right. From there you should be able to post your story over here. Now take a video or even a photo. Or what you can do is just swipe up and you should be able to select any media from your gallery. Now once you've done and selected your media, go ahead and tap on this sticker button. From there you should be able to find this option called poll sticker. Go ahead and tap on it. Then you can type in your questions, and also you will find two options, or you can even add another option if you want to. Then once you give your options over here, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this done button, and as you can see, the poll is now available in your story, and it should be good to go once you post your story, and your viewers and followers should be able to engage with the poll once you upload it. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.